Look at this sum based on the sum of arithmetic progression. A spiral is made up of successive semicircle. What do you mean by that? Now you have a semicircle here. Are you able to follow? There is a semicircle like this. And now the semicircle is expanded further in the second circle. Then again third, then fourth, then fifth. Likewise, it is going on expanding, and that is why you are able to get the spiral structure here. So basically, the successive semicircle with an extension of a radius leads to spiral structure. Okay, so this you must bear in your mind. Now, every time the center is shifted, centers alternatively at AB. So here A, based on that there is a semicircle. Then B, based on that a semicircle. Then again A based on the semicircle. Again B based on the semicircle. Do you understand now? Right. It is given the radius of each semicircle. So let me say our radii is given. This is R1, the radius of the first semicircle. And the radius of the second semicircle R2. So this is R1, this is R2. Likewise, it goes on. So R1, this is R2, this is R3, this is R4. Likewise, the radius is increasing. With that, with the shift of the center, the semicircle is also getting expanded, and thereby you are able to get a spiral structure. Now, what is asked here? What is the total length? See, if it is a simple circle, you can say what is the total length means. You can find very simply, which is nothing but the circumference, that is pi r. Now let us cut this into two. So you have one semicircle like this. Now if it is a total circumference of one circle is 2 pi r, and what about the semicircle, that curved length, which is nothing but 2 pi r divided by how much? 2. So that you are able to get pi r. So are you able to understand this? So pi r. Okay, right. Now let us consider the first length L1, second length L2, third length L3. Do you understand? So this is the L1, that is arc length of the first innermost semicircle. Then arc length of innermost semicircle L2. So this is L1, this is L2. And you have got another, see, based on that you have got L3. Then based on that you have L4. Do you understand this? For every semicircle, there are respective radius. Now, when you add, what is the length of one semicircle? Pi r, is it not? Because one semicircle means pi r. So, what is the innermost semicircle length, which is nothing but pi r1? Do you understand? And what about the L2? L2, this is the L1. What about L2? That is pi R2. Do you understand this? What about L3? Pi R3. So which is constant? Pi is constant. Do you understand? So this is L3. So L3 means that is nothing but the third semicircle. Is it not? So this is the third semicircle, that is L3. That is pi R3. Now, what is asked here? The total semicircle, I mean the total length of that spiral figure. So, what you can do, the total length is equal to, that is L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4, etc. Till how many such semicircles? That we have to find out. What is the total length of such a spiral with the 13 consecutive semicircles? So we have to, so the number is 13 here. Do you understand? So what is the number? That is number of semicircle, which is nothing but n, is it not? So n here is 13. Do you understand? So you should be able to convert this into appropriate parameter. So n is equal to 13. Okay, so there are 13 semicircle like this. So in that case, we have to extend up to L13, is it not? So we have to add everything and finally we should get the value. So L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4, etc. up to L13. Now what we can do, L is equal to, now what is the first one? Pi r L, pi r 1. Is it? That is the formula, pi r1. What is L2? Pi r2. What is L3? Pi r3. Okay, pi r3. Right? You can put 3 here. 3, 4, etc. So pi r3, etc. up to plus pi r13. Do you understand? Now what you can do, pi being constant, you can take outside the bracket. Now r1 plus r2 plus r3 plus etc. up to what? R13. Do you understand? So pi into, let us substitute what is the R1. R1 is 0.5, that is half. What about R2? 1 centimeter. What about R3? 1.5. That is nothing but 1.5 means 1.5. That is 3 by 2, etc. Okay. And it goes on like this. It is not given at the end. So we do not know what is the final value. So R13. We do not know. So that is the total length. Are you able to understand? Right. Now it is asked, that is the 13th one. So we can find out, yes, we can apply the formula, the last one, that is 13 circle, 13 semicircle length we want to know. So Sn is equal to, actually this is the AP here, is it not? That is 1 by 2, 1, you can say that is 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, and etc. And then finally R13. We do not know R13. And from this arithmetic progression, there is some common difference. 1 minus half, half. 1.5 minus half, half. It means the common difference is equal to 1 by 2. And A is equal to 1 by 2. So these are all the values we can get it from the given equation. So Sn, what is the formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so we have to find out S and then 13, because it is given as 13. Yes, 13 is equal to. So we know very well 13 semicircles, they are clearly indicated. Therefore, n is equal to 13. So put 13 divided by 2 into, open the bracket, 2a. So what is a here? Which is nothing but 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. Always keep it inside the bracket to be on the safe side. Plus n minus 1. So 13 minus 1. 13 minus 1. Close the bracket. Into, what is the common difference? 1 by 2. That's it. Now we are able to get. Therefore, 13 by 2 into 2 cancel plus 1. 1 plus, and 13 minus 2, 12. 12 by 2, 6. So you can put 6 here. So 7. That is 13 by 2 into 7. So this is S13, but we talk about only the radius. But what is the equation? We want to find out pi into, that is very important, is it not? So the total length is nothing but pi into the sum of all. You can put simply S13, is it not? So 22 by 7 into 13 by 2 into 7, that's it. So 7 can be cancelled, 2, that is 11. So it is 143. What is the unit? It's after all length. So centimeter. So this is the answer. So the length of, you have to write the length of such spiral of how many semicircle? 13 consecutive semicircle. Semicircles is equal to 143 centimeter. So likewise you have to proceed. Do you understand this sum? Right.